Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is just going to be on what my 1-year-old eats in a day, and I hope you enjoy it. So for our breakfast, I have varieties of cereal I give her. This is Nutri-Bomb in banana and apple, Nutri-Ben in wheat and fruit. This is also Nutri-Bomb in rice flavor and custard checkers in banana flavor. This is also the milk I give her, pick 1 to 3. And we're going to start by boiling our water. Then I'm going to mix the checkers custard. For today, she's taking the checkers custard in banana flavor, and it's really nice and nutritional. I also give her with egg. She loves egg so much. And this is my tiny little baby about to take her breakfast. At first she would struggle with you, then she would start to take it, and that's because she was actually watching cartoon and I was distracting her. So she actually knows how to eat on her own, which she learns to do with time. But when it involves cereal and mostly at breakfast, I have to feed her myself. If not, we're just going to sleep there. But for solid, normal solids like rice, swallow and all, she takes it by herself. So at this point she picked up her egg and ate by herself, and voila, we completely finished our meal. For lunch she's having rice and beans, and I'm going to boil the beans first, then move on to the rice. Make sure it's very clean, wash it well, then add it to the already boiling water, and I'll just boil the rice. Parboil the rice, add some onions with it to it. Then when they are both well cooked, I'll add the beans to the rice and make sure it boils together. I also added salt off camera, but very little. So the protein I added was fried fish, which I already had before. I used the hair fryer for it, but I tried to also reduce oil intake. So this is her trying to eat this by herself, but I don't think today is going to go as planned because she's just picking the beans. I might have to feed her. Fish now. No. Should I help you with it? Hold on. Tell me thank you. For our third meal of the day, we're having Irish potatoes and egg, and I'm going to make use of my air fryer as usual. So I'm just going to put in the already cut Irish potatoes. I just peeled, cut and rinsed. Just going to put it there and set it and just let it air fry. So to the protein I'm going to add eggs. I'm going to take my blue band spread and just put little on the pan, spread it, then break my egg or break an egg into it and just fry. So I don't add salt or Maggi, I don't add any seasoning to it. Then I just separate it while it's frying, then I serve. So this is Irish potatoes and a fried egg, and this is my baby girl trying to eat it all by herself. So in a bottle I put fresh orange juice in it, freshly extracted orange juice. So for dinner she had jollof spaghetti, and she had already started eating by the time I started making this video. And as you can see, she was eating it by herself, and she really enjoyed this. Like the way she ate it was as if she was really hungry. Even though she plays while she eats, but she still gets it done. So at this point, she was filled up. She was really full. And giving her another round of spaghetti, and she was done eating it. Because I can still watch it on it. And she was really happy. And she had it with water anyway.
Another one. Mama. Mama. Did you enjoy your food, Mama? Mama, tell me now, did you enjoy your food?
You can breathe well.
So this is where the video ends. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.